PTC. One step ahead. Deep foundations are an essential part of infrastructure projects. Bridges, harbors, soil consolidation, river embankments, high-rise buildings, and stone columns are only a few examples of the various applications where PTC products are involved. PTC, located in a suburb of Paris, has been active in this field for the last 75 years. An essential part of the vibro driver is the eccentrics. The eccentrics are carefully mounted in the gearbox. The PTC vibro drivers are built and then tested on the bench. New models are continuously being designed. All PTC power packs are super soundproof. They are filled with biological oil and equipped with the very latest engines, complying with the latest environmental standards for particle emission, such as the EPA's. A wide range is available up to 1,800 horsepower. Various types and sizes of clamping heads are in stock for all the different shapes and dimensions of the profiles. New products have been developed in recent years. Water jetting pumps driven by our power packs, and particularly vibro lances, have become recognized products and are widely sold. Built in 5 different sizes and powered by specially designed PTC power packs, the PTC vibro lances represent the largest range of machines for vibro flotation and stone column construction. After testing, the PTC vibro drivers are ready for shipping to various applications all over the world. Like here, for instance, on the Zambezi River, deep in Africa. Durapiling, a major South African contractor, is building a new suspension bridge. Here in action is a PTC 30H1A. It drives 22-meter-long casings in less than 45 seconds. Back in Europe, in Le Havre, an extension of an existing wharf is being completed. A combined wall of 32-meter-long casings and 27-meter-long triple-sheet piles is being driven with a 60 HD in rather hard soil with a special intermediate plate. In the same harbor city, 1.5-meter diameter dolphins have to be set in place. Here, the 75 HD is the perfect tool for driving casings of this size. With the help of a guide, the job is rapidly completed. The most economical solution for ground treatments uses the vibro lance. In rice fields, Bridge and Roof, a major Indian contractor, is building oil tanks on stone columns in Haldia, south of Kolkata. 2 vibro lances type 140 HL are in action building 800mm diameter stone columns. Spacing between columns is 1.5 meters. A PTC water jetting pump is powered by the vibro lance power pack. Vibro flotation with a PTC vibro lance in combination with a PTC vibecorder doing soil treatment here in Hong Kong for a new housing area. In the UK, other stone columns are being built by the Bashi Zolitanche company for the foundations of a tile plant. A 140 HL vibro lance drives 800mm stone columns to a depth of 4 meters by compaction. Near Munich, in a sensitive zone, the contractor Techno Grundbau drives double sheet piles only a few meters from a house. The 34HFV, a high-frequency and variable amplitude vibrodriver, allows driving while keeping the soil velocity under the 5 millimeters per second limit, which is being measured here inside a house.
Das sind die Schwingungskomponenten im Haus Nummer 10.
The same thing in Colmar, France, where the Durmeyer company is working on a new underground parking facility. Here, 800mm tubes for cast in situ piles are being driven by a 30HFV. In Zurich, Switzerland, the Kebag firm is working in the midst of trains without disturbing the ballast. Virtually all the machines sold in Switzerland and Northern Europe are HFVs. Here, a 34 HFV is at work while trains continue to circulate with no problems. In Hong Kong, we find the very large machines in action. Here, a 75 HD drives 2.5 meter casings fast and accurately, while there, the second largest PTC Vibro, a 175 HD, drives 3 meter casings at a depth of 30 meters. Smaller vibrators using the power of hydraulic excavators are also quite popular. Here, an application showing the driving of H profiles with a 7PHF4. And in Saarburg, working on a riverbank reinforcement, the 7HF4 drives wide, 4-meter-long sheet piles. In Switzerland, this underground motorway required 4 HFV vibrators. Double sheet piles are driven by Kebag using a 30 HFV. The Danube riverbanks had to be reinforced. The company Bilfinger und Berger works with a rig-mounted 46 HF3 to drive double-sheet piles. In Strasbourg, on the Rhine River, 3 kilometers of a watertight curtain are installed by a 100 HD with a cooler. A 20-meter-long, 700mm I-type profile is being driven. The depth and grout are controlled by a vibecorder system located inside the crane's cab. Whether in France, out in Africa, or in India, in quiet England, or in Hong Kong by night, PTC is present with its agents all over the world. With some 50 different vibrodrivers and 5 different vibrolances, PTC has the largest range of machines ever produced. PTC, always a step ahead.
The presence of PTC stretches all over the world. After having worked in various places, PTC is now present in St. Petersburg, Russia. This city, which celebrates this year its 300th anniversary, has changed a lot in the last 10 years. A new ring motorway has been built with 6 PTC vibro drivers. Presently, the City Vibrator 23HFV is equipped with a special multi-grip 3x 40 tons for the extraction of concrete piles. Mostostroj 6, a major Russian company, is using a HF machine with variable amplitude in the city center. From Russia, let's go to the US in Providence, Rhode Island, where a new bridge is being built. Here Nefco, a Boston-based company, backed by American equipment. Our local dealer uses 100 HTS to drive 2.33 meter diameter casings. The machine, equipped with quadruplex 4x 120 ton clamping head with speeder beam, is doing a great job. Back in France, not less than 4 PTC vibro drivers are working on the new fast-speed railway line linking Paris with Strasbourg and later Munich. The 30H1 works on the sheet pile cofferdams, whereas 2 larger 75 HD construct cast in situ 2.0 diameter piles for the railway bridge in harder marl and clay. In Munich, Germany, near the Baumer site, a new shopping center is being built. For this, a huge 500 x 300 meter rectangle has been excavated. To do this, Engel, an Austrian-based company, uses a 34 HFV with a 2 x 120 ton multiplex clamping head for the 23 meters long double PV25 sheet piles. The resonance-free vibrator works less than 1 meter from the building without damaging it. To protect this excavation, 45,000 square meters of sheet piles have to be driven and extracted. From Germany to Switzerland, it is just next door. Mühre, a major Swiss company, uses here a sophisticated 30 HFV and a power pack with additional cooler. With a telescopic boom crane, the HFV is the only possible solution. Equipped with a multiplex 2 x 120 ton clamping head, the vibrator extracts here 18 meter sheet piles for the motorway going to the ski slopes. On the Rhine River between France and Germany, a new embankment is being constructed to contain the excess of water in case of floods. Here, 16 meter long and 2 x 700 millimeter double sheet piles are driven. A Lutin vibcorder controls the soil particle velocity. PTC radio controls eases the work. The new 48 HFV here performs optimally in the driving of these new wide sheet piles, and is without doubt the best guarantee on future success.